added redeemable items will be available for Nook Miles. Let's see what else you can do with your miles. Cooking is coming to DIY recipes. Combine ingredients like tomatoes, wheat, sugarcane, potatoes, carrots, and more. Why not make a delicious meal from your bountiful harvest? Looks tasty. You can make all sorts of dishes to lay across the dining table. Bon appetit! With a pro decorating license, lighting and ceiling decor can be added to each room. Accent walls will also be available to give a single wall a different pattern. With these, more design options will be at your disposal. The maximum number of bridges and inclines you can place on your island will increase to 10 each. Plus, 9 fence types, including park fencing, block fencing, and corrugated iron fencing will be added, letting you diversify your island even more. Some fencing can be customized too. The camera app on your Nook phone is getting updated. When changing to a handheld camera mode, the view aligns with your eye level. And if you change to a tripod camera mode, you can also be in the picture. We hope you can capture more memories from new perspectives and angles. Patterns that were previously used for customizing items can now be worn or used as flooring and wallpaper, like custom designs.